Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will talk about the best ice cream billboard design template in Photoshop. So please watch this video till the end. After knowing its full features, you can then decide whether to choose this mockup design for your brand or not. You can download the PSD file and edit it. The download link is given in the description. Here are some of its features you should know. Ice Cream Billboard Template Vol. 3 was designed for business. It's professional and eye-catching. Attract people to your business with these beautiful outdoor banners. Billboard feature. Fully layered PSD files. Easy customizable and editable 70x30 with 1.00-inch bleeds, CMYK colors, 150 dpi resolution, print-ready format. Images are not included. Only free fonts used. Font.txt with download links.